So guys, I was just playing some castle defense, and look at what happened.
No, it's not castle defense.
Sorry, what was it called again?
Tower defense.
Tower defense. And look at what happened. It's the smug line. Look, Thanos the captain.
Okay, now guys, don't talk.
This is Thanos' new power. Thanos is the leader. Also, Mr. Beast is the leader, and we also got we also got Bacon, and you know what? I'm joining in. Emote?
So now, yeah.
Where is my
This is
mouse?
what this game has turned into.
This is what this server has turned into.
Emote, smug. Wait for me, guys. I'm coming. Now it's a mega smug. Also, guys, subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss a video, and stay safe. Also, line up.